They don't count.
Some ground turkey. I'm excited to try this pumpkin spice creamer. Okay, so toothpaste, house soap, leave it 2000. Can is this orange? Oh no, some lemonade.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise.
But this is what this tree is giving at night, okay? Well, basically when I'm on the start, because it's like 5 in the morning right now, and it's almost daybreak. So, yeah, you know, this little dollar stuff. Dollar budget. Like, I can go out and buy that expensive stuff, but I just be like, if I can still get happy, cute happy. this. Okay, so I got these containers here. They're BPA free. Okay, so I just decided to put the flour in there. I went back to Dollar Tree and put bought some more containers. So that big one, let me see, over here, right there. Yeah, that one right there. And now all my coffee is ready. My hot water for my coffee rather. So yeah. So now I have nice space. So I'm excited. I am excited about that. So yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along. So I can put that right there. Still have space. So yeah, let me make my coffee. Try this right here. An angel, okay, and then I work my way up to the tree. Now everything on this tree is gold, okay. So and it's basically came from after Christmas, okay. Dollar store, period. Okay, I got those right there from Walmart. Okay, so this lady just showed me this, but I'm not spending too much time on it. But everything is pretty much gold, okay. So this is the gold sequence, okay, and this is cut material. That's gold. Okay, $30 for the material, okay, and then these right here are $10. So, okay, and then I end up doing this tree from Dollar Store, Dollar Tree, whatever. Then I decided to go ahead and incorporate my box that I ended up getting from BD's because it had went on sale. So yeah, and then here's over here, which I just moved everything around and I added the little diamonds right there. Okay. So yeah, I added that, and then I added this little dollar hat. Okay, because it's gold. And I have this out here. I made that. Okay. Okay. Now on this leather chair right here. Look, this was my inspiration. Now I had interviewed this after the holidays. This came from Burlington after the holidays. And this came from Target. So you see that price? $1.99. Okay, this came from Burlington. So this was my inspiration. See the stars? Okay, there you go, right? I ended up going to Dollar Tree. This is an inside this right here, wrapping paper. So I knew that this was gonna go well with this. So yeah, that's how far back it goes. Because I knew I wanted to do something affordable in my little space. When I say budget, it doesn't mean that I'm necessarily on a budget. I just want to stay within budget because I'm a Virgo and I like to save. Moolah. Okay, you see the gold glitter in there. So that should let you already know. Okay, and then this right here I made. So go watch my paint with me video. Okay. I just put a flower right there. So yeah, and then there's the tree. It's awesome, by the way. What's crazy? What I do want to do is put something else behind here just to make it a little bit more darker. Because I don't like how that looks. The material, if it had black on the back of it, the material, then I think it would be like so much better put together. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it right here. I don't think I'm gonna pick this camera back up anymore. Talking, I just want to say, stay encouraged. Okay, know that things are going to get better and things will get better.